In the darkest hour preceding dawn, we gather the symbols and images from the dream world and invite our soul to guide us in each moment, connecting to eternity. As sun rises over sacred mountains and our moon sets, we enter the forest with kisses greeting all of the luminous healing spirits. We begin this dance blowing kisses to sky, sun rays, dewdrops on spider webs, and moist earth beneath our feet. Blow kisses of gratitude and connection to all around us for one more minute, please. Birds begin their song at dawn, and we add our voice to the grateful chorus around us, swaying with the winds of change and sending heartfelt energy to join the ethers moving through us, reaching out to ancestors, the eldest being stones who have been here from the beginning, have done their work, and can help with ours. We learn to listen deeply within the marrow of our bones. Each sunrise acknowledges renewal, radiating all around us. May we cleanse and clear as we merge the waters everywhere with all that flows within us. Dance with the winds of change and reach out to all for 2 minutes now. us as we climb to our highest and best. Their rooted, yielding example beckons our bodies to loosen the grips we cling to and relax into the truest trust, with the mother archetype providing just what we need, just when we need it. The pre-verbal knowing that sustains new life and all life. Climb to our best for 2 minutes now. Open fully in the path of the sun as we acknowledge our own gifts in their times to shine within community. Peak fruition of the full flavors and call to the animal helpers. In this fourth world, as they prepare us to step fully into humane actions, relaxed palms turn like antenna, perceiving and blossoming into receiving nature's abundance within balance. Thunders feed new life in spring. Falling leaves return nourishment to our seeds in the soil, just like we share our experiences in the fall of our lives. And snow blankets and snuggles Grandmother Earth in winter. Feel the energy around us through our palms for another minute, please. Twilight mysteries bring the magic of the stars back to us, and fireflies flicker, lighting untruths that lead to momentary truths within this universe. Cycles of sweet moonlight teach us appropriate choice in place and time for the actions of the fires fully felt within our heart. Nature heals us within the mystical numinous majesty of the fullness of life. We transition again and again back into the restful night for the guidance from our soulful connection to eternity.